how to back up Instagram chat after deleting. So if you want to back up the Instagram chats after deleting, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with the chats, which is on the top right. Now under chats, you can have all of this like primary, general, channels, and request, everything, right? So from the chats, you won't be able to back up. But what you need to do is go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, you need to go with your activity. So on Instagram, we don't have the backup option, but you can just follow the steps to get some information or get some help. So go with your activity, and under your activity, you need to scroll down a bit and tap on download your information, which is on the bottom. Once you go with download your information, now it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can just simply go with download or transfer information. Choose your Instagram, tap on next, tap on some of your information, and after that scroll down and go with the messages section. So just find messages, which is right here, and tap on next. And after that, tap on download to a device, or if you want to transfer it to a destination, you can choose transfer to destination. I'll just go with download to device, and you can choose the date range. For example, you can go with last week or last month and tap on save, which is on the bottom, and also go with notify. You can choose the mail address and go with the format, the media quality, and tap on create files. Once you tap on create files, it will start creating your files. It might take a few hours or a few days, like 24 hours. And after that, your file will be ready to download. You will get the notification on your mail, or you will also get the notification right here on your Instagram. After that, you can download those files. That's how you can back up Instagram chats after deleting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.